In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot video effectively in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to engage your audience, nurture leads, or close deals, understanding how to integrate video into your emails or landing pages can be a game changer. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to www.hubspot.com. Once the site loads, click on the login option to enter your portal. This will take you to your HubSpot dashboard where all the magic happens. One of the most impactful ways to use video in HubSpot is by adding it to your emails or landing pages. When you're ready to create something new, start by navigating to the marketing section in your dashboard. From there, click on email. If you're planning to use a video on a landing page, the process is similar, so feel free to follow along with those specifics in mind. Next, you'll want to click on create an email. HubSpot offers flexibility here. You can either start from scratch and let your creativity shine, or choose from a variety of templates that HubSpot provides to make your life a bit easier. Once you've made your choice, it's time to get into the details. You'll need to locate the insert button, which is usually represented by a plus sign. Clicking on this will reveal a variety of elements you can add to your email or landing page. Look for the video block here. This is the key component you want to drag and drop into your email or page layout. Once your video block is situated right where you want it, select video from the available options. Now you should see a list of videos that you've either uploaded or recorded directly in HubSpot. Choose the one that best fits the message you're aiming to convey. An added convenience of HubSpot video is its ability to auto-generate a thumbnail. This thumbnail will include a play button, acting as a visual cue that there's an embedded video ready to be viewed. When recipients click on this thumbnail, they'll be seamlessly directed to your video. This feature not only makes your emails or pages look more professional, but also encourages higher engagement rates. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to integrating videos into your HubSpot communications. By leveraging this feature, you're on your way to creating more dynamic and engaging content that resonates with your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy HubSpotting. Remember, always stay confident and creative in your marketing endeavors. Until next time.